little friends? We're over at our whiteboard now. Let's take a look at the top where we always start reading. My first word is my month. Do you guys remember the name of it? May. Oh, and I left a blank here. I did so that we could practice on the whiteboard making our 8. Remember yesterday, just a few minutes ago, we made an 8 over there? Remember I said it was like an S and a backwards S? What do I make my 8? S and then a backwards S. May 8th, 2020. Period. Done with the date. Dear friends, you got it. Read this part. This is our weather word. It starts to. Did you read today it is? Great job. Today it is -2 degrees Celsius. So we talked about that. Remember, it's under the 0. So that means that ice could freeze, so that means that water can freeze today because it is under 0. Anything under 0 means that the water can freeze. On, let's see if we can sound out that word. Look at this. We have this. That's something that's up in the sky and it's bright and it's yellow and it makes us warm. On sun, and then there's that word. Sunday. Good reading, you guys. On Sunday, it is Mother's Day. Now, usually at school, we prepare for Mother's Day a little bit, but we're not in our classroom, so we can't really do the same kind of things. On Mother's Day, we think about someone who has done a great job of taking care of us. So the people who look after us, boys and girls, you know the people that when you're feeling sick, they just make you feel so much better inside. Those ones who make you special snacks, that play with you when you want to play a special game, that take you on walks, that wake you up in the morning and give you your bath at night. Those special people. That's who we're kind of thinking on Mother's Day. Now, sometimes it's a mom, but sometimes it's a grandma. Sometimes it's a stepmom, sometimes it's a foster mom, sometimes it's an auntie or a grandma or a sister, and sometimes it's even a dad who acts as our mother on Mother's Day. Because mother is just a word for the person who kind of takes care of you. So that's what we're thinking about today. We're talking about thinking about somebody in your life who does a great job of taking care of you and that makes you feel so good inside. Let's remember to show our love for people who take care of us. So on Sunday, that's not tomorrow, tomorrow's Saturday, but the next day, Sunday, why don't you do something special for someone who takes care of you? Maybe it's a special hug. Maybe you'll make them a special toast in the morning so that they can have breakfast. Maybe you'll clean up something so that they don't have to clean it up. Do some little special thing for that person who takes care of you to make them know how much you love what they do. If you guys want to, I'd love to hear what you did for your special person. You could draw me a picture or take a photograph of it and post it on our Facebook group or send it to me in Messenger because I'd love to see what you did on Mother's Day for that special person. Love, Miss Fex. Kiss, kiss, hug, hug. Now, I'm taking out my red marker because today we're going on a letter hunt. My little letter hunt friends, we need to find all the M's that we can. And we start right at the date. Our first letter in our date is an M. Up, down, up, down. There's one M. Let's keep looking. No more. Let's keep going. I have an N, but I need 2 humps for it to be an M, so that's no good. None there. Keeping going. Oh, there's another N, but it's not an M. Whew, we do have a lot of N's, don't we? But no M's yet. There's one. M for mothers. Now we have two M's. 1, 2. Let's keep going. Another one. 1, 2, 3 M's. Let's keep going. There's a little M. Those are capitals. There's a little M. Look. Stick, hump, hump. 2 humps means M. Ooh, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep going. I wonder how many I'll have all together. Not seeing any yet. There's another little M. Stick, hump, hump. And another one. Stick, hump, hump. Let's see how many we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder if we have any more. That's kind of like one, but the humps are going the wrong way. The humps have to be going up. That's a W. The humps go down. Miss Bex has an M at the beginning of Miss. Wow, we sure had a lot of M's today. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 M's. Wow, that was pretty cool. Great job, boys and girls. Have a wonderful weekend and have fun reading our I Can story. I know that you, boys and girls, can do so many things. And I know that you can read this story. Today, Miss Bex is going to take her voice away from the video. So it will be up to you to read the story all by yourself. I bet you can do it. Have fun, and I'll see you on Monday.